Unlock huge savings with Oriental Trading Company, your ultimate guide to discounts. Are you ready to save big while shopping for all your party supplies, holiday decor, and craft essentials? Look no further. Here's your chance to grab the best Oriental Trading Company coupons, promo codes, and exclusive discounts that will have you smiling all the way to checkout. Step 1. Start by visiting promosaver.net or simply click the link provided in the description or comments of this video. Step 2. Browse through a variety of amazing coupon codes and select the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're planning a party, sprucing up your home for the holidays, or looking for affordable crafts, there's a discount waiting just for you. Step 3. Apply your chosen code at checkout and watch as your total drops like magic. Then, sit back, relax, and enjoy your incredible savings. Why wait? The perfect deal is just a few clicks away. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Get ready to shop smart, save big, and make every moment special without breaking the bank. Oriental Trading Company has everything you need, now at prices you'll love even more. Start saving today and feel the joy of shopping with unbeatable discounts. Happiness is just a promo code away.